I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Curlsqueen's hair. They sent me out their water curly texture hair in bundles and a matching frontal. The frontal is a 13x6 and it is HD lace. This is everything that came in my package. As soon as I took the hair out of the package, I knew this was great quality hair. The hair is super soft, but it's super, you can just tell by touching it, it's that great. It's like super good quality hair. Curlsqueen Hair is a brand that signifies women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair. Their bundles are 150 grams, and it is a luxurious upgrade. So you're getting more hair in the bundles. In my opinion, these 2 bundles mimic 4 bundles. When I made this wig, it was super full, super full. So yeah, again, each bundle is 150 grams, which is about 5.3 ounces per bundle. So 2 bundles equals about 3 to 4 bundles of hair. But when I finished with it, I would say it was definitely 4 bundles of hair. So you got this hair from them and you wanted to get the bundles and the frontal. 2 bundles is more than enough hair to use to get a full look. So you can, of course, sew in this hair if you would like, or do a quick weave, or however you prefer. But I went ahead and made a wig using the hair. I do like sew-ins, but I prefer wigs, especially with me. I change out my hair so often, so a wig was the best choice for me. So I decided to make a wig, and I'm just showing y'all some clips of me making the wig. About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big. And here is the wig all finished. I was able to put all of the hair on the cap. So to apply this wig, I put glue in the middle portion of my head, but on the sides, I just use a hairspray. I find that glue melts the lace a little bit better a lot of the time. So that's what I did here. So the install was super easy. But yeah, y'all, again, this hair is super full. It's super pretty, super soft. it's so full. So again, 2 bundles is more than enough hair. I love the 13x6 frontal, and I love again how thin the lace is. It's super nice. Like this is real HD lace, y'all. And I also love the textured edges on the wig, so it's not super straight, or like y'all know how it can usually come. So yeah, y'all, I did love this hair. Again, this hair is from Curlsqueen hair. I want to thank them so much for sending me out this hair, and I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
This girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, some of your brown sugar. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant swine, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. And some of your brown sugar, brown sugar. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing. About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. Every time you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, some of your brown sugar. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swallow, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't know. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hear brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe. I want some of your brown sugar, show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. And some of your brown sugar, brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.